Okay, Dr. Hubner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Steven. Steven is excited and nervous, all the above, but he's going to have a hair transplant today. And he's done a lot of research, and it really means a lot to him to have a good result today. So we're going to walk you through his entire day, and also in terms of his follow-up when he has his new hair growing in. So, Steven, tell us, first of all, how old are you?
I'm 52 years old.
53. You look younger than that. That's
Thank
great.
You. That's very coming younger.
Yeah, that's a good thing. So getting the hair back is really going to make you look even younger. So
yes.
Tell us when, at what age did you start losing your hair?
I'm starting losing my hair. I found out like two or 3 years ago.
Okay.
And slowly it's getting thinner.
So it didn't come on until you were in your almost 50.
Almost 50.
Yeah. Oh wow. So you had the hair. That's when you kind of noticed it was it's getting a little thin.
Yes.
Huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay. And does it run in your family? Anybody?
I'm not sure.
Not much.
Yeah.
Okay. Not sure.
My daddy passed away 55 and so young, and he had full of hair. So,
he had full head of hair.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And tell us about when did you decide that you're going to do something about it? Tell us about that.
Well, it's very quick. And I got online like 2 weeks ago.
Oh wow.
And then I saw you, and then I started.
You saw the videos?
Videos.
Right. Which you're now a part of.
Yeah. And then I'll make my appointment next day.
Thank you for paying it forward. It really helps people. Someone's going to relate to your hair loss. So, all right, I'm going to hand up. I'm going to show, and I'll put some pictures on there so you guys can see. But you can see that there really is not a lot of hair up here, just a little central tuft here. And actually, you can see his temples. Now, you have an interesting case, right? So in the temples, you actually got to a point where you just kind of started plucking it out, right?
It's like gray hair, and I start pulling out.
Right, in here, right. So you had some gray hair, and you just kind of started pulling it out. We're going to actually restore that today because I think it's going to make a huge difference for him. Yeah. And anyway, thank you, Steven, and we'll be following up with you later on, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I'm here with Steven, and Steven has just completed his surgery. How you feel, man?
I feel great.
Good.
No pain.
No pain right now.
Easy.
So the anesthesia will wear off soon, unfortunately, but it won't be so bad. You'll get through it tonight with some ibuprofen, and we also provide you some pain medicine. Overall, did you find everything, the facility, the people here, be nice and friendly?
Very friendly.
Okay.
And love it.
Good. I'm going to zoom up here and show everyone what we've done. Right now he's in the Frankenstein stage, so he's going to have scabs there for about 2 weeks, but you can see how those new grafts are going to reframe his face. You can see that natural recession that we built into to add some naturalness to that. So very happy. And look at his temples, again, how far back his temples went before. This is all going to be nice new hair for him. You can see that everyone has a little bit of oozing. It's important to keep your head motion down so to minimize any bleeding, but very happy for you, Steven, and I'm looking forward to really seeing you in the next video, which is you with hair. So thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.